4 months. 4 months. My nigga, bigger than you, taller than you, lighter than you, more handsome than you. And he do martial arts, that means he can kick your ass too. And now, he's a better dancer than you. Bye. Goodbye. We're gonna do Yann right here. Samba. A sequence with the macaco from the back. What you know about that, boy? It's Montreal, Canada. Huh. Kizomba land. Only for the best. Dr Kizomba, let go. Yann, let's go. 5, 6, 7, go. Ayo. You ready to come to Montreal?